Hey guys, how you doing? It's your boy Charles Munroe back at it again with another apartment tour. Today we are in the East Village featuring a 2-bedroom, 2-bath duplex in an elevated laundry building. I hope you guys enjoy the apartment tour. Please like and hit the subscribe button. Gorgeous lobby. A laundry room. For 2-bed duplex. With a massive living room that faces a garden. The first bedroom is on the first floor that get lots of sunlight. With a built-in AC and a large closet. The second bedroom is a queen size with a built-in AC. With large closets. Kitchen with a dishwasher. This apartment has 2 full-size bathrooms.